Turning logging on to debug your Kynetx app. Because of the dual nature of a Kynetx application running both on the Kynetx server and on the client's browser, it's important to understand how logging works and how it can help you debug your Kynetx applications to reduce your frustrations. So let's create a simple application. I will go through the regular steps of setting up an application, and I'll actually leave logging off so I can display and demonstrate the difference between them. This example app will run on example.com, so I'll set the dispatch domain, and we'll set the select statement to select all URLs. And I'll have a simple notification just to let me know that the application is in fact running on the page when I run the application. So once I get all of this completely set up, I'll go ahead and save the application and open new tabs for the test bookmarklet and the deploy page. So I'll drag the bookmarklet up to my browser and deploy the latest build. So everything's set and ready to go. So let's go and open a new tab at example.com and click the bookmarklet to run the application. And sure enough, the application is running just fine. I'll set up my windows so I can open up Firebug in a new window, and we'll inspect the body, and we'll find that once the application is run, there are several script tags that have been injected into the page. The script tag that has the logging, or will have the logging in it, will be the last script tag that has been injected. Here you'll see the application's JavaScript. So let's go back to the application and turn logging on, save the application, and we'll go back and refresh the page and run it again so we can see what the logging looks like. Here you can see it's quite a bit different. There's a bunch of JavaScript comments, and these are comments returned by the Kynetx server as it ran and evaluated the application on the Kynetx server side. You'll get more used to parsing this information and making it useful as you write applications and run into problems. But let's go back to the application and add a data set which will be processed on the Kynetx side. We'll use the RSS feed from my blog, setting the URL. We'll save it and we'll go back and run the application again and check out the logging. Alright, it ran. So in the logging, let's see what it returned. Looks like we have global vars mygeekblog RSS feed. Good. It's using cache data, which is fine, parsing the dataset as JSON, and it found that it was invalid JSON. If we go down a little bit further, we can see that it parsed it as a string, and obviously since RSS is XML, it's not going to parse as JSON. So how can I share my app log, and why would I want to do that? Well, let's say you're like this guy.
I've been working on this forever and I can't get it to work. Bah!
No worries. Let's go back over to your Firebug window, find the source of the script that has the logging, click on the source and copy that URL. Then open up a browser tab or window, paste the URL and run it. You will have full access to the text and you can copy and paste to your heart's desire, which will allow you to paste this into a DevX question or email it to a friend who's helping you.